I'm Shin-Ichiro Imai. I'm a professor in the Department of Developmental Biology at the Washington University School of Medicine. I was born in Tokyo and grew up in the suburb of Tokyo. But then in 1997, I decided to move to the United States to get more involved in aging research. So I did my postdoc at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and then 2001 I got a faculty position at Washington University in St. Louis. And now I have been living in St. Louis for 13 years, and I really like the place. The autonomic nervous system is a sort of a general surveillance system through our body. Now, the hypothalamus is also very much important to control the function of the autonomic nervous system, including metabolism, behavior, and even emotionality. Last year, we published in a paper demonstrating that the molecule called 31 in the hypothalamus plays a key role in controlling aging and longevity in mammals. And we even defined which neurons are important for such function. And when we got those results, we got really excited about those findings. And that gave us a pretty good idea about how to dissect the mechanisms of aging and longevity. So that's why we decided to enter this competition. Because NIH is still struggling, it's relatively difficult to get early research money, particularly for mammalian aging and longevity study. So if we can get support for early stage aging and longevity research, that would be really great. I'm very much excited to be a part of this Palo Longevity Prize. Interestingly, the purpose described in the brochure really fits very well to what Imai Lab has been very much interested in. I do believe that we could crack the code of aging and longevity in mammals. Of course, I know there is a prize in this competition, but I think the whole event is probably more than that, because there will be a very significant findings which could excite people in this field and also people in public. So that's probably the most important point of this prize. So that's actually another strong reason why I decided to join the competition. I see. And this is a nice control. I'm very much passionate about science, and that passion probably originated from the story around how I was born. When I was still in my mom's womb, I was about to die, with some problems. I don't remember, but so my parents, didn't want to give up. So, they actually ran into a very small clinic, and then the doctor of that clinic told my parents that if there is even a 1% chance, he would give his best effort to help, me. And naturally, with that story, I wanted to become a doctor, and during that process, I came to learn how complicated and fascinated our body is, and particularly, I became interested in how long we live and how our body sustain our functions. So through science, now I would like to contribute to the society. This is our lab supervisor, Kathy Mills, and she has been in this lab for 10 years. The reason why not many people are working on aging and longevity study, it takes a long time and also a lot of effort. In the past decade or so, there has been a significant advancement in the field of aging research. In our research we published last year, we could extend a mouse lifespan at least about 16%. It doesn't sound much, but I would say it's significant if we can maintain our health. Since my childhood, my superhero is Professor Albert Einstein, and I always wanted to become somebody like him, and I hope I'll become somebody like him in the field of aging longevity research. There are many other great groups, great researchers in the field of aging research. I'm very much excited about this prize. I'm going to do my best for this prize, and I would like to win. 今回このパロアルトロンジェビティプライズに非常にエキサイトしておりますので、ぜひこのコンペティションで勝ち残っていきたいと、大きな貢献を老化と寿命のサイエンスにできればと思っております。